Welcome to the fifth and final part of my Wellington in October mini-series, although the first part didn't really have anything to do with the capital city. On Tuesday, October 11, I resumed the trip home, having stayed the Monday night in Levin. We begin at the Tyne Street crossing, with DFB 7010 speeding into town with train 1203 to Wellington. These days the station is technically still open, as it's served by the Capital Connection 5 days a week. Early in the morning there's one southbound service to Wellington, and in the evening there's one northbound service to Palmerston North. I was planning to stick around here and film DL 9573 hauling train 263, but ended up seeing her in Longburn instead. As usual, I stopped in Palmerston North to see what was happening in the yard. This time I was pleasantly surprised to see the refurbished EF 3163 sitting outside, although I'm still not really a fan of that blue livery. I should add that I had no idea 3163 would be outside, and when I first saw her my reaction was similar to the time I randomly stumbled across DC 4444 at Smart Road Yard in New Plymouth. Then we gave chase on train 252 to Karioi, but didn't overtake DL 9043 until somewhere between Mangaweka and Utiku. There she stopped in the loop to pass the southbound train 251. We continued chasing 9043, but only as far as Waiuru as we went home via State Highway 1. Here we see her passing the tiny settlement of Mataroa. This was quite a hastily prepared shot, as I was distracted by the Rolling Stones on the radio, despite not liking Sympathy for the Devil and absolutely hating wild horses. And that's the end of the series, folks. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I did making it, and I'll leave you to form your own opinions of this Uten trailer filled with carrots.